Today we are unboxing the Casio AE-1200W, also called Casio Royale. This is the watch. We can put this aside and check what's inside the box. This tag shows the 10-year battery life. The warranty registration card and the user guide. Now we can look at the features of the watch. This is the primary time zone. By pressing the mode button, we can change to secondary time zone, alarm, timer, stopwatch, and back to the primary time zone. This has a powerful orange colored backlight. By pressing the search button, we can browse through different time zones. For entering into diagnostic mode, we can press the adjust button, mode button, and the search button together. This feature only works in real Casio watches. This watch has 100-meter water resistance capacity. These are the two models of Casio World Time. Now we can look how the watch look on my wrist. Please subscribe for more watch content. Thank you for watching.